I love animals. Oh yeah, sorry. I'm gonna adopt you now. Anyway, I don't know why this says like torture sheep and stuff, because I don't do that. I gotta stop spreading rumors about me, because like, you know how much I love the forest, right? Come on, don't you know that baby cows are my favorite animals? To burn. Yeah, that was messy. Oh, hey, I wonder where this came from. Hey, cow, you want some hay? Here's some hay. Oh, this accident. Sorry, I accidentally burned you, Mr. Cow. Gosh. Rough life. I respect the forest. I grow trees. I love trees. Oh, sometimes I accidentally activate my foot with steel. But that's just an accident. You know, right? Right? Ah! Subscribe. Okay, goodbye, everyone.